Cause me have impact on the internet. Right now the highlight when me get pan yard, you never get it no time in your life.
Oh wow! And in this video now, she was taking on Pamputtae because look like say Pamputtae did a get pan. Pamputtae did a request our services for the music video and all kind of things, and it never did a match up to our fee. But Pamputtae she did kind of lay low and did look like she did a wonder if she did a reply or not. And then this video dropped.
Rosealee, read my lips. Go and bathe. Go and bathe. Put your titty them on your shoulder and go beard.
Go beard. No, Pamputtae, man. No, honestly, usually I don't like them look at something here, but this was like a cute look back and forth. I go, I am me. So to the artist them, is either no come correct or don't bother to approach Rosealee because I think she has made it clear time and time again, Pamputtae